Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'll be showing you to fix the issue where of course your laptop is stuck at the login screen or the login wallpaper. And of course this can happen especially on your newer laptops, and this is a common issue. And do note, if you're having this issue, that it can be easily fixed. And I'll be breaking down the process as I demonstrate on this particular laptop that I have here. Now, of course, you may be stuck at this screen, or of course the screen where your wallpaper shows up. Now, in my experience, this happens because of resources. So in cases where, if for example your device is on for a very long time, or of course it gains an error, what can happen is that the device simply hangs and the system goes into a frozen state. Now, in order to undo that frozen state, you'll have to do as I show you here, and I'll be showing you two main methods, and usually either works for me whenever I'm stuck in this state. So let's get straight into it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do, guys, is go to your keyboard, and you're gonna find the following keys. You're gonna search for the Control key, you're gonna search for the Alt key, that's CTRL key, ALT key, and of course the Delete key. All right, so you're gonna hold on all three at the same time. So once you find all three, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna hold down all three together or simultaneously. So that's Control, Alt, and Delete. So hold all three and then simply press. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm only demonstrating on this device. So press all three, press and hold, and once you press and hold all three, you can let go, then press again if necessary, hold for about a few seconds, Control, Alt, and Delete, Control, Alt, and Delete. Now what should happen is that it should bring up the screen, or it should become responsive again. Now of course that's the quickest method and the faster method that I recommend in terms of trying that first. If that doesn't work and gives you some amount of responsiveness, if you need at any time like a menu appear, go ahead and hit escape, but you should get some amount of responsiveness and be able to enter your password. Next step, if that doesn't work or you're still frozen, no problem, go ahead guys, you're going to locate your power button, and of course your power button should be indicated by the power symbol. What you're going to do is you're going to hold this down for 30 seconds, so press and hold, and you're going to count. So 1, 2, 3, and you get the idea, count all the way to 30. All right, so I'll give it a little time. All right, that's about enough. You'll know something is done because the screen itself goes black, and of course you're gonna wait a while. Then if it doesn't start up back by itself after that 30 seconds, go ahead and press the power button for about 5 seconds. So you're gonna press power for about 5 seconds and let go. All right, and of course if PC is gonna start up again, and as you're seeing here, this one is basically doing something very quickly. All right, so what you want to do is allow it to do its thing. I'll come back when it's finished a bit. All right guys, so once it's back up again, it should be easy from here. You should be responsive again, and simply tap and it will ask for the password, and that should be it. It should be functional again, and you should get the password, and everything should boot as normal, and it should become responsive again. All right, so leave your comments below. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. That's the quick tips showing you to do this on your device. See you in the next one. Bye.